Hello everyone, this is Minna. Today let me introduce a practical and sturdy truss system. This truss structure is 12 meter by 12 meter with 7 meter height. Using 390 mm by 390 mm tubing, it could be just 4 pillars stable standing for a smart and strong design. At the top, we use the solid grid pattern structure. The open areas in the center are fixed using single truss beam and clamps. Regarding load bearing, the single beam can handle a line load of about 80 kg under evenly spread. For the main 12-meter truss side, the line load spread evenly can reach about 1,000 kg. This feature offers more precision and the flexibility to hang, lighting, sound equipment, etc. Therefore, this kind of truss is ideal for some value, like photography studio or film stage.